The race to replace hate. I want to share with you why we're having this race. It all started back when COVID, the pandemic, hit us, when there was a rise of anti-Asian hate crime and the awareness of it. And so what we did as a company, our team, we decided to combat hate with love, with compassion. And so we hosted Asian Heritage Night. Texas Rangers is a great organization. And I want to share with you, hate, it is indeed a strong word, but that's why we're having this race. We want to replace that with love, with unity. I know each and every one of us have faced certain challenges and difficulty in life, and that's just why we're doing this race.